Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook chopped steak perfectly. First, select high-quality ground beef, ideally an 80% lean to 20% fat blend, ensuring a rich, juicy result. Gently shape the meat into patties, aiming for about 1 inch thick and 4 inches across. This size helps them cook evenly. Don't forget to season them generously on both sides with salt, pepper, and your favorite steak rub for maximum flavor. Now let's get cooking. Heat a sturdy skillet, preferably cast iron, over medium-high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like canola or grapeseed, to coat the bottom. Carefully place your seasoned chopped steak patties into the hot pan. Sear them for approximately 3 to 5 minutes on each side. This creates a beautiful, flavorful crust and ensures a perfect medium rare to medium doneness. Once your steaks are cooked, remove them from the pan and set them aside to rest. In the same skillet, add 1 thinly sliced onion and sauté it until it's beautifully caramelized and sweet. Next, pour in about 1 cup of rich beef broth, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom of the pan. To create a luscious gravy, whisk in 2 tablespoons of a flour or cornstarch slurry until it thickens to your desired consistency. Almost ready to enjoy, gently return your perfectly cooked chopped steak patties to the simmering gravy, allowing them to warm through for just 1 or 2 minutes. This ensures they absorb all that wonderful flavor. Serve your delicious chopped steak immediately, perhaps alongside a generous helping of creamy mashed potatoes or fluffy white rice. A sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley adds a lovely pop of color and a hint of freshness. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.